Ever wondered how some websites rank high on search engines? The secret lies in effective keyword research. It's crucial for understanding what users are searching for, ultimately enhancing website visibility. Remember, effective keyword research is the foundation for a successful SEO strategy. So how do you conduct an effective keyword research? Here are a few strategies. First, understand your niche. Knowing your market will guide your search for relevant keywords. Second, leverage keyword research tools. These can provide insights into popular search terms. Next, study your competitors. What keywords are they ranking for? Lastly, focus on long-tail keywords. These specific phrases have less competition and can drive targeted traffic. Remember, effective keyword research isn't just about finding high-volume keywords. It's also about finding the right keywords that your target audience is searching for. Now, we understand that keyword research can be a challenging task, especially if you're fresh on the scene. Authority Solutions is here to make this process easier, providing comprehensive keyword research that's custom fit to your business. So, why hold off? Enhance your SEO strategy with Authority Solutions. And before you go, remember to hit like on this video, subscribe to our channel, and switch on notifications so you don't miss anything. Stay tuned for the next video.